What's up, everyone? So today I wanted to do my version of a no makeup look. Really simple, easy to do. So first I'm going to start off with doing my brows. I'm using the Anstasia Brow Wiz pencil in the shade Ebony. So now I'm going to go ahead and clean up my brows. I'm going to take the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, clean them up. I'm using the shade Tan Sand or Tan Deep Honey. I'll have it listed in the description box below what shade I'm using. Also, I do have a detailed video of how I do my brows, so if you are interested, I will have the link of that video in my description box. Alright, so now that I'm done with my brows, I'm going to be using the Urban Decay B6 Prep Priming Spray to prime my face. And then for foundation, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way, and I am using the shade Maple. Alright, and since this is a no makeup look, the goal of this look is to look as natural as possible. So I'm not going to be highlighting like I normally do on my face, so I'm just going to conceal a little bit underneath my eyes. Alright, so now I'm going to be just setting everything in place. So I'm going to use the Mercier translucent setting powder. I'm not going to bake. Since it's a natural pretty much look, I'm just going to set everything and just leave it like that. Alright, so I'm not going to put on lashes, but I am going to coat my actual lashes with mascara. I am using the Bad Gal Bang Mascara by Benefit. Also, I felt like with this look, it would look really cute if you had like those little natural, small eyelashes that you can get from like Walmart or what is that place called? Sally's. I feel like those would be cute, but I didn't have none, so. Alright, and last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with some MAC Fix Plus spray. And I'm going to use Morphe lip gloss just for my lips. And this is the final look. So this is my version of a no makeup look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Really simple, easy look. I feel like I'm going to be wearing this look a lot more often since it's summertime and it's hot. But anyway, let me get back on topic. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.